Hi, this is Abhishek, and this is another short video on how to restrict the access of local drives. Right now, you can see if I'll open File Explorer, and you can see I have access to both all of these local drives C, D, and E. If you want some of the drives like local disk D to be restricted or E to be restricted, so that you can put your personal files, or even local disk C to be restricted, or even you can put all the drives to be restricted and which can be opened only through admin mode, and this can possible by going through again Windows plus R, then go gpedit.msc, and again I'm telling this won't work for Windows Home Edition, where you need to install this gpedit there. And if you need that thing, then if this is not working for your PC, then comment below. I'll make a video how to install gpedit for your home edition. Then while opening this, go to user configuration. One second. Yeah, user configuration, then administrative templates. Then here you go all settings. Now in this all settings, we have to search for lots of settings are there, but we have to search for, press P button so that you can access to prevent, and we need to find prevent, and we need to find prevent access to, yeah, and we need to find this one, prevent access to drives from my computer. Now right click on this. We have some options, enable, disable, and not configured. We have to click enable, and then we have options like restrict all drives, restrict A and B drives only, restrict C drives only. So I'm going with restrict C drive only, and then I'll apply. I'll then apply. Then like you can see, I can access to D drive, but when I try to open C drive, it says the operation has been cancelled due to restriction in effect on this computer. Please contact your administrator. So okay, and this is our final motto. And if we have to revert back, then just disable, or we have another option, not configured, which is preset. So I'll say just reset to not configured and apply, and then again open to load world DC. You can see I can have access to that. So yeah, it's small video, and if you find this video useful, then please like this video. Thank you.